Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet mouth for Santa Claus applique.
We will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make one chain crochet stitch. Okay. Now in that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. In that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. After we are done with 5 double crochet stitches, at last we will make a chain crochet and turn a crochet work. Then we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Remember, 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Now again at last, just make a chain crochet and turn your work. Now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. So our pink part is ready. Now we make 2 rows. Okay, in first row we will start with 2 chain crochet stitches and turn our crochet work. Okay, then we make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, only 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Till end we will do the same. Okay, and then we make a chain crochet stitch. We again make 2 chain crochet stitch and we turn our work. I will do till here and I will show you the next part. Here we are done with the first row. Okay, make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet stitch. There we go. After that, make 2 chain crochet stitches and join the last stitch with the first double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. Then again make 2 chain crochet stitches See, 2 or 3 it can vary depending on your thread. Okay, then join last stitch with the second row first double crochet stitch. Again make 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the last stitch of third row. First stitch of third row.
Now see, this is how our final piece looks like. This here we have used in Santa Claus applique. Whichever applique you want to show laughing face or laughing mouth, you can use this, and you just have to stitch it up. So as you have seen whole video, I'll show you how we put it, how we place it on the appliques. See, we assemble different parts on the applique. So along with those parts, we assemble this also mouth, and we just stitch it up. So it gives that look of laughing look. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. And
Thanks
if
for
you have
watching my
not yet
video.
subscribed, I'll
Please like and
request you to
subscribe.
please subscribe.
Thank you.